Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. What's your name? I am Shima. You? I'm Kobe. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. I am 20 years old. Where are you going? I am going to college. You? I'm going to market. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Wow, can you speak English? Yes, I can. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. What do you do in your leisure time? I like watching TV and reading storybooks in my leisure time. How many members are there in your family? There are 5 members in my family. Next. May we be friends? Yes. Why not? When will you arrive? I will arrive in 10 minutes. What does your father do? My father is a worker. If you want to know more questions and answers, you have to subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot.